Good morning and welcome back to another video, the last of our Belgian videos for this year. We are in Antwerp for the day. Like I said to you in previous videos, I'm meeting friends. That's why the whole reason I'm out in Belgium, and this is their local town. So I am going to walk around, starting at this very beautiful central station, and try and get some photos in between having a few beers and enjoying company. But on top of that, we'll be able to find some lesser known spots because they all live here. So they'll be able to show us the best places to go to try and get some good pictures, and I'm going to take you along with me. So let's go wander around here for a little while. The sun's coming through, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm sure I'm going to be able to get one or two images here. So right at the front of the station, before you get to the actual main entrance, there is a silver hand, just a little statue, and it says please don't touch on it, but it doesn't say about anything about taking photos of people in it. So I'm going to do that. There's a bunch of different angles and it distorts people and stuff like that, and it might work quite well by putting them in the reflection. I don't know how it's going to work. It's very interesting. Like, I mean, yeah, all of this, there's tons of different angles, tons of different distortion. You can really make a quirky image here. I'll try my best. That's all I can do, right? I'm basically just waiting for one person here, framing with the handrails, and hoping someone on their own walks past me. Or one person walking up one side, one person walking down the other. Anything like that really will work. There's nice geometric shapes where these escalators cross over. And on the escalators below this set, the one coming up is right in the middle. And the light hits it quite nice. I think I can silhouette someone there. I do realise that I've done the majority of my talking in this station. But, what can I say, right? It's a really good station to shoot in. It's rated third best in the world. So the light in this entranceway is pretty good, and those two people wearing quite colourful outfits sitting in the light over there is pretty nice on its own. But I'm thinking if we can get people walking in and out at the same time either side of them in silhouette, it'll probably look even better. That's saying something, right? There's a cyclist in the way at the minute, but this older gentleman sitting at the bus stop is quite a nice shot. As soon as the cyclist in the back goes, there might be a shot here, I don't know. Just your standard one. I can't resist a tram shot. No matter where I go, if there's an older looking tram, I will take that photo. Try and get some reflection on the glass here for a bit. There's also some light hitting the buildings just here, so everyone's lit up quite nice through the glass. It gives everything a weird hue. So you may notice that I am in a completely different outfit and I am back at home in the hotel in Brussels. This is the next day. I didn't do much more recording at all. I didn't even take many more photos after I'm out with my friends. I just enjoyed the company, had a few drinks, had some great food, and just, yeah, had a laugh until the early hours of the morning. I would have done this video when I got back into Brussels early hours this morning, but I was too tired, I crashed out, and then I've spent the day just chilling out, seeing some sights around Brussels, so I'm doing it now. Although I spent the majority of my time in this video around Antwerp station and the surrounding areas in Chinatown and the public library near there, I have to say there's tons of areas in Antwerp that you wouldn't think of going to get shots, but they really do work. For example, we went to the Mass building at very first. That's at the northern part of Antwerp in the docks, and that's basically a 10-story panoramic view of the city. You go up these escalators and each story has different windows pointing at different parts of the city, and then you get to all the way to the top and it's a roof terrace and you can see a full 360 view of Antwerp. And I got a few pictures in there, especially when people were standing in the light. Gave a nice bit of silhouette shots, simple, typical shots that I take. And then we also went down the river and towards the middle part of Antwerp. We went to this place called The Rock, which is basically a fortress, and yeah, just really nice to walk around. Didn't really get many pictures there, it is quite small, but there's another viewpoint at the top of that, which you can stand at the top and look out onto the city. The main thing is though, the old town, everywhere around the cathedral, you've got some really narrow, nice streets, and when the light hits it, it really does hit it good. And it's just a really nice place to go. If I was to go back, there are some more places that are definitely on my radar. The KMSKA Museum is one of them. It's got a great few rooms that will get some really good shots, especially if you like shooting monochrome. But that's for another day. I definitely will be back, obviously. I've got to keep in touch with my friends, keep catching up, keep having good beer, keep having good food. So I will probably do more videos in Antwerp in the future. But let me know what videos you want to see as well. In the next video, you're going to see we're going to be in Paris. So we're going from Belgium to Paris. So enjoy that. There'll probably be a couple of videos there. And we're going to enjoy our time together. So thank you so much for watching. If you did enjoy, likes always appreciated. Subscribe for more. And if you haven't seen the other Belgian videos that I've already recorded, then there's one on Brussels, Bruges and Ghent already uploaded on the channel. So be sure to check those out. Thank you again. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.